Okay. So, lack of miscommunication both sides is because na nag-triage, identified na sa mga injury. But balik sa triage sa team, and si team is medyo hindi pagkakulan. So, dito na part is, unless we have the risk or identification sa triage color, the red, yellow, green, and black, identify na to even though wala yung mga injury na pa. Then, so far sa pananganan niya is, so far so good, is communication is always the key sa inyo ha.
Success.
And second is, katong ipangingon nila sir and ma'am, sinagit ay i-avoid na nato in every scene, in every lugar na to. It's because, tarang mo is, aside sa kamo nag-alis mo, it can cause na ang inyong respondihan is 100 always na kung tungkol sa inyong dibuhan. And next is regarding of skateboard. I do know na natutuan mo sa pagkakalangin sa skateboard management. So, first, hindi mo sir na balik ang skateboard. Second is, tikangan rin yung skateboard. With or without agent, din yung gilatang-latangan. Next is, pinaka-basic sa skateboard is the preparatory of command and command execution. Even kao sa o kadungog. Okay? So, preparatory of command, proper handling, positioning, wala tanan din na. Which is i-discuss na ang skateboard management. And for preparatory of command, ang mounting, and both legs from the other side is opposite or sabay. It's because in reality, kung nadyan may pasyente na yung hati is pili magtungan, pwede mayato ang pasyente mo or magtuwag mo. Okay? Second, regarding of spine board is i-heads up ba mo na if ulo magpuna sa spine board, that is a plain area. It means patay. Kung tanda ko sa tanang pasyente dire, tanang victim, kinsay patay. Asa? Okay, then the rest wala. But lapas o 5, ulo inyong giuna padung sa medical station. Always remember, if flat surface, ulo giuna, it means patay na. That means, clearin yung unahon. If slope gani, ang pasaka mo, pwede ulo giuna. It's because to protect the head. Kung pasaka mo, ang ulo ninyo nasa ubos, ang ulo mo slide. Okay? Repeat lang, kung ninyo, spineboard management, even carries, drugs and carries, tanan you remember. After this training, after every day, it's because this will apply in your real life, not only just sa kinila training, isuot ng dito you're an expander ng dito, is your work, or graduate mo, is, paano dito? Practice and practice until you get wrong. Dili lang ang feeling perfect. It's because once masaya ko, diha mo makaigaw na lang may kailangan i-input sa mga kailangan. Kaya stop ko, para ninyo sakto na more perfect na maganda ka. And always remember that every day is a learning day. Review everything. Try to search, scan, and everything. Okay? So,
next question, no?
Go ahead.
Sir, clearly jud giingon sa amo sa training nga una jud ang ulo kung ikuha ng pasyente